What does the history of industrial robots tell us about its future? You don't become a robot industry leader overnight. For 4 decades, Epson Robots has led the automation industry in precision assembly, pioneering many industry firsts, including PC-based controls and compact SCARA robots. In 1983, we developed our first SCARA robot to manufacture Seiko watches. 3 years later, we developed the industry's first SCARA robot to meet stringent ISO Class 1 requirements for dust and germ-free environments. In 1989, we built our first 6-axis robot for manufacturing silicon wafers and microchips. And by 1994, we had created the industry's first Windows-based robot development environment. With our first decade of robot manufacturing behind us, we continued to improve upon our technology and move into new markets. In 1997, we built the industry's first compact reach SCARA robot for confined working environments. 2 years later, the industry's first anti-static robots for electronics manufacturing. To serve a need for more flexible robot placements, we built the first wall and ceiling mount SCARA robots in 2001. Fast forward to 2009, we built the first ceiling mount SCARA robot that rotates 360 degrees. It allowed for even greater work cell versatility. The first 25 years of Epson Robots brought significant advancements to the automation industry. We didn't stop there, however. We continued to develop new technologies to address customer needs, such as the industry's first folding arm 6-axis robot in 2016, which brought longer reach into small work envelopes. The first standalone SCARA robot in 2017, using a built-in controller for an even more compact footprint. Then in 2019, its 6-axis counterpart. Next, to meet the needs of new automation users, the first simple user interface for industrial robots was born. Today, Epson Robots thrive in 3 critical areas: speed, precision, and usability. At Epson, our legacy is our future. Today, we are the #1 SCARA robot manufacturer in the world with over 150,000 robots deployed. We've built on that success with innovative 6-axis robots, integrated production solutions, and simplified programming environments. This history of success is a testament to the trust our customers place in Epson's innovation today, tomorrow, and into the future.